For precise refrigerant flow control in modern inverter AC and refrigeration systems, our electronic expansion valves deliver superior efficiency and stable temperature regulation. We offer DC and AC types with matching drive coils covering 1 to 10 ton capacities for residential and commercial cooling. All valves feature 99.9% pure copper bodies, precision needle cores, and reliable sealing for accurate adjustment and zero internal leakage under high pressure, compatible with common refrigerants and major inverter AC brands. Every valve passes strict pressure and performance testing before shipping. We keep large standard stock, support OEM customization, and offer factory direct wholesale pricing with fast global delivery. Contact us today.